Hello everyone, I am Heaven Maivan and I will be teaching social science for class 6 to 8. Hello everyone, ngasi class 7 gi social science ki chapter number 2 natural environment land gi matang na tokse. It was formed from a cloud of gas in this about 4,600 million years ago. Akhoi gi earth che 4,600 million years ki mamang da cloud of gas ne duga dust ne torga form torok paneba. It was in a molten state. Liquid ki type to oine lera meba molten state have to go of direct liquid nate kara liquid ka solid ki kara nang thurak pa mahi to tu type ta in the beginning, but it gradually started cooling and thus the solid outer crust was formed. Adudagi di kadore ngasai molten oramba pot se ingdhara kanda solid oina form tora matung da khoi gi earth ki outer crust se form tor ko neba. Have you any idea what the earth is made up of? Khoi earth se kai na sai ne idea lebra leite ko ngasi khangminarse. So now let us have a knowledge of earth's interior earth ki interior gi matang dhana khanarse. Interior of the earth ki manungi part. The interior of the earth is not composed of uniform materials. Jab manaba potna same banate ba khoi gi earth ki manungi part chingje. Our knowledge about the earth's interiors come from indirect sources. Khoina direct changjaluraga thiuraga khangubnateba indirect sources tagi khoina khangbaneba. The most important source is seismic waves or the earthquake waves. Source khwaidagi important source ti kaino seismic waves or earthquake waves. Haibadi earthquake torganda khoi wave ama laidana sigi waves dagi khoina khangba ngameba. These waves are generated by earthquakes. Earthquake na generate torpa wave neba. Kaigino haiba matamda earthquake to matamda magi focus, magi epicenter haiba mena. Audaki it travels throughout the all directions. Direction khudi makta chat leba mase. Aduga sigi wave sing sigi type khar lere adu type to mo yengse. Types of waves. There are 3 types of waves. Waves makal ahum leba. They are the P waves ne, S waves ne, long waves ne. P waves na kay haiba primary waves, S waves na secondary waves, and L waves na long waves. The velocity of P and S waves increases with depth. Luring ay mogi chatpagi magi speed se magi khongjen je ko yam yang ba up to about 2,900 kilometers pauti. 2,900 kilometers pauti mogi P ga S ke waves se yam thina yang ba. Thereafter, S waves do not pass, whereas P waves pass at a reduced velocity. S wave ti 2,900 km york padedi maji makatan kumthaba ngamtre. Aduga adubu kadawi P waves ti velocity magi chalami ba speed to handara matungda adum chatkhiba. In fact, S waves transmit only through solid body. S waves ti kadawi only solid body da ma chatpangam meba. Liquid di chatpangam deba. The study of earthquake waves enables us to know the earth's interior. It consists of 3 concentric layers. Concentric layer ahum layeba. Earth ki mapan gimne, manung demne, aduga manung da matumamga. Kekeno yengse. The crust, the mantle, and the core. The crust is a thin solid layer forming the outer shell of the earth. Crust na kaino yam thin oiba layer amaneba. Akhoi ki earth ki outer layer se kupiba. It is composed of light materials. Its thickness differ from place to place. Khara yang ba potna sema potni aduga magi athaba je jaga amaga khetneiba. It includes continental crust. Continental jaga dana athaba je 35 kilometers 35 kilometers ki athaba leire adagi oceanic samudra gi da leiba jaga dana pare 4 to 7 kilometer leire aduga mountains ki jaga dana kya hoige around 70 kilometers thick oiba moise. A very thick layer called the mantle lies beneath the crust. Crust ki makhada mantle ko ba yam thaba layer ma leireba. Mantle extend up to 2,900 km in depth. Crust ki makhada mantle hore udagi mana kya kumtare 2,900 km kumtare makhada. It is composed of heavy rocks, yamna lumba rocks me yamna saba pot neba. Upper mantle is the upper part of the mantle smaina 2,900 kilometers later than a metal gi magi thickness se adugi upper part ke 700 kilometers se sibuna khoina kai kore upper mantle kore aduga ske makha ta ba jingjina kai kore koina lower mantle kore. The innermost part of the earth is known as core. Koi gi prithvi gi khwai manung thang ba part china khoina kai kore core kore. It is composed of heaviest materials like iron and nickel. Yamna lumba metals in the form to is high basije. For example, iron gumba, nickel gumba jina. The core forms 83% of the volume of the earth. Koigi earth ki whole volume zigi 83% amadi core na cover taweb. And it has a radius of 3,470 km. High bagi atradi Pitribi matum zidagi mayai zidagi magi athapse 3,470 kilometers ne. It is also divided into two parts. Outer core haibam ne, inner core haibam ne. Outer core hai gadi core mapan thang basaruk to outer core hai ni manung thang basaruk sina inner core. Core has a temperature of about 4,000 degrees Celsius. Core gi manung je magi temperature je about chawrakna 4,000 degrees Celsius leiba. Sabai chang khoi na ishingi saurpagi chang je magi temperature je kya no 100 degrees Celsius na tra adudi yengo kayamu yam saramani do. Core do 4,000 degrees Celsius ne. Okay, high temperature prevails in the interior of the earth. Akogi Pitribi gi manung jida interior jida kaido heba temperature yamna high hoeba. Sometimes hot materials from the earth's interior come out through some cracks or joints as lava and form volcanoes. Manung da leiba yam asaba potse. Sise akogi earth surface earth ki jida crack kumba leiba dagi moje tholok pa yawe amu. Thola kanjida moje na kaido re volcanoes form taweba. On the land surface, lava deposits may create mountains. Manung dagi thola kanda earth ki surface da mana tasala kanda wangkhale surface solidify tawre. Adung kanda kai form tawre mountains form taweba. Adu main tawraga form tawgiba mountains samagi example di Fujiyama mountain in Japan. Next rocks and mineral sands. The material that make up the earth crust are called rocks. Akoi earth ki crust sibu semga sagalai ba pot sibu khoina kai kore rocks kore. They may be hard, soft and loose material. Yamna kan ba oramba yai yamna thot ba oramba yai aduga kitang loose oiba pipe kanda koi lebak pipe da popo karga ken ba adugumba oramba yai. Granite ne, sandstone, marble, clay, sand, salt and coal are examples. Moi jingje examples samane. Rocks can be found in different shapes, sizes and colors. Different shapes ne, sizes ne, colors ne, loina different way ba phang ba. They do not possess a definite chemical composition but are a mixture of two or more minerals. Masagi way ba definite chemical composition le jade rocks se. Adubu kadore ma je mineral ahum mari punjalaga saba pot ama oy ba. Rocks are thus a combination of minerals. Minerals on the other hand, minerals a mineral on the other hand has a definite chemical composition. Masagi oina yamna definite oiba chemical composition ama lejaiba. A crystalline form and certain physical properties. Masagi crystalline form do oraga masagi tonganba physical property khar lejaiba. Minerals are rock forming materials. Minerals se rock form tawrakpa material kharani. Silicates, quartz and diamonds are examples of minerals. Among them, diamond is the hardest material. Lairiba mineral myamsdagi diamond jina khwaidagi kanba material ore. The common salt we use every day is a mineral. Akoina khuji seasonariba akoina chariba thumje. Sisu mineral makhala maneba. Magi mineral name jina kai kore halite kaweba. Halite. The number of rock forming minerals vary from rock to rock. The properties which are useful for identifying minerals include color, luster, texture and hardness. Property ma mineral ma identify tawnaba magi properties khar lejai ba adu kai kaino machu ne, color ne, luster magi langkhatpa or langkhattaba, texture lere aduga magi kanba kandaba magi hardness se. Minerals are thus chemical substances found in nature. Mineral jingje chemical substance ne kaida phangba nature da phangam. Some rocks are denser, some are harder than others. Kharamana yamna dense way yam lumba yam tasala leba. Kharamana katoba yamna kanba kharamana soft way ba. Ko amaga manade. So on the basis of their mode of formation, rocks are classified into three groups. Rocks singje amu classification la amogi. Group ahum thona. Igneous haibam ne, sedimentary haibam ne, metamorphic haibam ne. Moi ahum jimu tonga tamaje. First igneous rocks yengs. Igneous rocks are formed when molten rock called magma cools and solidify. Pitribi manung da leiba mahi langthoba nungjingdo aduduna ingtharaga solidify torokana mapang onjalakana form toba rock nebe igneous rocks. The cooling and solidification can happen underground or on the surface of the earth. Ingtharak pa haibaje kaino earth ki crack tagi tholaga earth ki surface ta tarkanda ingthaba ma aduga marakta dum pallaga ingthagiba ma suma pochi da mo type ani mlak neba. Igneous rocks are parents of all rocks and are also known as primary rock. Laiba rocks me amje igneous rock tagi lak pangtne ba namana aduga maje kaiju kore kona primary rocks. They cover large areas of the earth's crust. Earth crust ki yam chawb area ma mana kalle. Igneous rocks which solidify deep underground. Igneous rocks says maina kakala matungda surface odrikana solidify toraba adu tari ka dore moibo. They are called intrusive rocks. For example, granite have nungdo adudo intrusive rock neba. When igneous rocks are formed on the earth's surface, nasagi magma do kakalaga earth ki surface ta cool toraga earth ki surface ma solidify toraga form torba mabu na khoina kai korni extrusive rock korni. Basalt is an example. Igneous rocks are of magmatic origin. They have no layers and contains no fossils. Moje magmatic origin ne have the magmatic form torpa rocks ne aduna moida layer makhan laibaga du leite aduga fossils su mangonda phangde. They have crystalline structure. Minerals of great economic value are found in them. Yamdina paisa tangba commercially yamna mayamna pamnaba economically value yam leiba adugumba minerals myama igneous rocks ta phange. Next amuk kaila sedimentary rock mula. Any rock on the earth's surface is exposed to weathering and erosion by running water, glacier, wind or sea waves. Moje sumba poching jina rock se erotor pagi chances yam leidana erosion tawridana. Running water is the chief agent of erosion. Erosion thon bagi khwaidagi chaw factor amana running water jineba. Rivers and streams carry rock pieces and deposit them at favorable sites. Turian gumba jina kadore nung macha mayam jelo chendaraga jaga amda paisala thameba. These deposits are called sediments. Sumba pochibu koina kai kore sediments kore. These sediments are left buried layer by layer. Sediments amu layer ma dui matakta sediments amu layer ma adui matakta amanam very slowly due to the pressure from above. Smain sum nantaragadi gravitational pull smain sum namthar oidra masaje namthar ani ko. So very slowly due to the pressure from above or because of cementation, the loose materials ultimately become rocks. Ngasai ki layer me amdo adu to pull up kanjala kanjida matam gi matungina pressure gi matungina kanjala kanjida mojina kari form tore rock form tore ba. These stratified rocks are called sedimentary rocks. Sugumba rock subu makhal jibu kana sedimentary rocks kore. Sandstone, shale, limestone and coal are common sedimentary rocks. Sometimes remains of animals and plants, coal, petroleum and natural gas are also found only in sedimentary rocks. So mine layer form torpanina marak sida sigiba sanga juna jalaga sum form torkibinina moigi marakta fossils and fossil fuels myam phangmangam. Sedimentary rocks are the most widespread of all the rocks on the land surface. Land surface da kwai ki chakaraga leiba rock makhalam neba. They cover about 3/4 of the total land area of the earth. Mathangda metamorphic rocks las. Igneous as well as sedimentary rocks. Mamang da tamgiba rocks makhal anido. Igneous as well as sedimentary rocks undergo changes. Moje changes undergo to the process of change is called metamorphism. When the original character of the rocks, that is the color, hardness and mineral composition, is changed due to heat and pressure, it gives rise to metamorphic rocks. Igneous rock ka sedimentary rock ka je matamgi matung ina pressure heat pichalaba matung da mogi masagi character change toraba. Masagi color ne hardness ne adagi mineral composition je change torokana no form toroiba nungdo adu ba khoina kai kore metamorphic rocks kore. Kai de kai change tore yenga je changes the granite che massage igneous ni it changes into gneiss. Adagi sandstone jina sedimentary ni it changes into quartzite china kaino metamorphic rock ni ko. Limestone je sedimentary rock orame it transform into marble is a metamorphic rock. Clay and shell is a sedimentary. It changes into slate, and slate is a metamorphic rock. Rock cycle mo yengase. Rock amadagi rock amolakpa, amadagi amamolakpa, amadagi amamolakpa. Sige cycle am lejeba masagi rock ki magi transformation jigi. Si mo yengse. Rocks are changed into another type under different condition. Condition amagi matungin na ko amadagi amada ole eba. Adugi leriba condition jing loine khenai nung amade ama olakpai condition amade ama olakpagi condition loin khenai. Igneous rocks is exposed to weathering and erosion and change into sedimentary rocks. Igneous rocks se maze kaide exposed away weathering ga erosion ga nung makup takpa adagi erosion tho chen gi bumba adum kanda chenda graba nung macha macha ma erotor kana makup tuna mu kai form tore sedimentary rocks form tore. These two rocks are changed into metamorphic rocks in course of time. Hoji mamang thai gi bedo hoji ki nung makal ani se metamorphic rock tamu ole adagi amuka hoji ki metamorphic rocks se may be forced deep into the earth's interior and melted to form magma. Leriba metamorphic rocks se sum makha da sum changra kanda ngasai magma gi jaga da yor kanda ma sum melt tau thoni melt tau tho kanda mu kadore magma oina mathak ta magma do mu mathak lom da lava gi form da ka khalaga mathak ta muka igneous rock form tore. Sig cycle ama leise sibo khoina kai kore rock cycle kore. This process of transformation of rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. Huziki akoigi natural environment len haibagi akoi first part akoigi nung makhal kya khanagre adugi moigi transformation from one to another adugu makhal khanagre adugi akoi next part amuka art movement amu yengse.